Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove or delete a key from a Python dictionary. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically, a dictionary is a set of key value pairs that are known as items. So I've created a variable called as data, which is a type of a dictionary, and within that I've created certain key value pairs of name, age, gender, and education. Now we will see the first method of how to use the delete keyword to delete a key from the dictionary. So for that, what I'm going to do is simply call the keyword del, that is delete, and in that I'm going to call the variable name data, and now I'm going to access any key using the square brackets. So inside the square bracket, let's say I will access the key gender. So what I'm saying is, so delete the data corresponding to the key gender from the data variable. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to print the data before deleting the gender key and after deleting. So I'm going to do that. And if I run this, as you can see on the output window, first there are a set of 4 key value pairs inside the dictionary, and after that it gets reduced to 3. But let's say we try to delete certain key that is not present inside the data. For example, let me delete this key value pair of education, and now let me try to delete education. So if I try to do that, and if I run the program, as you can see, we come across an exception, and the exception is a key error which tries to explain us that there's no such key which is known as education present inside the data structure. So let's see how we will tackle this issue. So basically, to solve this problem, we will make use of another method, that is pop. Now we will again call the variable name, that is data, and now we'll make use of its method, that is pop, and inside that I'm again going to put in the name of the keyword. So let's say now I'm going to type in gender, and I'm going to add another argument, that is none. So if I add none, basically I'm trying to tell Python that if we find a key that is gender, delete that key value pair, else simply return none. Now if I print the data, that is before deleting and after deleting, let's see the difference. So as you can see, previously before deleting there are 4 set of key value pairs, and after deleting this gender deleted. But now let's perform the actual test and check whether the error is visible. So let me remove the key value pair from the data structure, and now if I run it, as you can see, there's no such error on output window, and the data pretty much remains the same, because what we try to do is we try to pop the key value pair corresponding to the key gender, but since Python was not able to find it, it simply returned none, which literally did nothing, and then we printed the data right over again, and this is visible on the output window. So when comparing the two methods, the pop method would be a more preferable method to be used, since it does not return any exception based errors. So if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.